It seems as though, now more than ever, the way the world does business is changing. The traditional ways of serving your customers are evolving and improving, and new methods, driven in large part by increased customer convenience, are being implemented every day. To be successful, your products need to be easily accessible, and in some cases, you need to take your products and services directly to your customers. Bush Specialty Vehicles stands ready to partner with you to build the mobile tire and service vehicles you need to support your mobile service initiatives. Since 1971, Bush has been providing commercial van and truck solutions to businesses nationwide. Our goal from the beginning was to provide high-quality vehicles tailored to your needs and to make the entire process simple. We source and inventory the vehicles you need. From there, we custom upfit them to your exact requirements, and we deliver them to your doorstep, all with flexible lease-to-own and purchase options. Our mobile tire and service vehicles are built using the highest quality materials and the highest quality craftsmanship. And we understand the importance of building a solution for your requirements. What equipment to include, inverter or generator power, workspace, tooling, storage, safety, technology, and other important factors unique to your needs. With dedicated manufacturing facilities on the East Coast and on the West Coast, Bush Specialty Vehicles is uniquely positioned to support the scale of your business nationwide. Whether you need one van or 1,000, we stand ready to partner with you to support your mobile service initiatives and your success.